exactly is VFS?
So VFS is a private company contracted by the UKVI Home Office to get and collect your biometrics and documentation and send it to UKVI main office.
Okay, but what does VFS play a role in the decision making for my UK student visa?
So VFS has no authority to making a visa decision on your file. They just have to collect your documentation, take your biometrics and send it to UKVI Home Office. That's it.
Okay, so what are the charges do I have to pay to VFS for these services?
By the way, you don't have to pay to VFS any charges. If you remember, at the time of filling your application, you pay your IHS, which is International Health Surcharge, then you pay your visa fees, and that's it. These are the optional services, value addition, we call it services, which you can pay to VFS. For example, your scanning documentation. For example, your premium launch. For example, like courier services. Everything is optional. So there should no be mandatory which service which you have to take it from VFS.
Do you think that VFS verify my documents before sending them to UKVI?
Absolutely, this is a wrong information. VFS can't verify your documentation. They just collect your documentation, they do the biometrics and send it to UKVI for review. So they can't verify anything. They just collect the documentation on behalf of UKVI.
Does my appointment at VFS can impact my results of my visa application?
As I say, UKVI only gave outsourced VFS for taking a biometrics and documentation. All the decision making has to be happened only by the UKVI visa officer. So VFS has no role playing into making your visa or giving you a visa. It's only UKVI which are actually assessing your files and giving you a visa.
And what are these premium launch services? Does UKVI advise me to take these services?
All the services are value added. These are the services offered by VFS. UKVI is only taking IHS and visa fees. These are the optional as per your discretion. The premium launch, for example, is not mandatory. You just have to go show your appointment at the security, get your file submit, and that's it. There is no premium launch. If you feel so, you want couple of coffees and cold drinks and you don't want to wait, then you can take premium launch, but premium launch will cost you a lot. So save your money.